In this video, we'll show you how to use the basic features of Everleagues. Enter your email and password to log into Everleagues at app.everleagues.com. You can join multiple organizations and switch easily between them. Use personal space to talk with family or friends and keep track of documents. You can also create and join individual or group chats. Send text messages and files easily in any chat as well. Create secure meeting rooms or schedule one for later. Search for messages using the search tool. Click to see message options including edit, star, and reply later. Join a meeting room by clicking the room or the video icon on top. Hover your mouse near the bottom to view video options. Share your screen for all meeting participants to see. Messages sent during the meeting are synced with the chat room. You can store, organize, and share files by using the Cloud Files tool. Go to the left menu bar to use more tools such as our income and expense tracker, ELNet for remote desktop access, and more. Turn on 2FA to increase the security of your account. Click Help to access our FAQ and knowledge base. You can also use these features on any mobile device by using the Everleagues mobile app. Download Everleagues from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.